Hi Amish, hello people, hello, hello. I hope you guys are doing well. Hello all. I'm soon going to be joined by. Hi Anish, how are you? I'm soon going to be joined by Ashlesha. Of course, we all know her now as the famous Dhriti from Family Man. So that'll be quite something. Will be an interesting chat. मज़ा आएगा खूब. So hang in there. Hello everyone. Hello, 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 hello. Hi Krupal. Okay, can everyone hear me or no? Can you guys hear me? All good, brother, all good. Just give me a thumbs up if you all can hear me. Hi Harshada, how are you? Okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you guys can hear me. Shahab, mere bhai. Ladies and gentlemen, Sajid is in the house from the Family Man. Shahab the Thespian. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. अच्छा, ये धृति हमेशा लेट ही आती है क्या? हाँ साजिद, शाहब, वेयर इज धृति? हेलो हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो हेलो हेलो. तुषार, अंकुर, हाय गाइस. So, just to let you all know, tomorrow is going to be a big surprise. And from next week, of course, we are soon going to continue with everyone else. Ashlesha is in the house, people. Sending you the request. भेजो भाई, भेजो रिक्वेस्ट, भेजो. आ गया. Okay, this is going to be a fun chat. Hello, hello,
Hi.
hello. Dhriti is in the house, people. Breathe, breathe, everyone. गौर से
Oh
देखिए
my
इस चेहरे को,
God.
गौर से देखिए इस चेहरे को. Yeah, exactly. Nice. That's the frame. That's the frame. Ashlesha, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you? This is the first time we're meeting.
I am good. I hope. Yes. And
And it's live.
I am so excited. And the first?
And our first live.
Okay.
And my first live.
Yes.
Once again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, yes, you can call her Dhriti because that has kind of an imprint now, Ashlesha, that you have left across the nation and overseas. All right.
My
This
God.
is great work. Okay,
Thank you.
I want to tell everyone, guys, you know, I am in mystery about Ashlesha as much as Ashlesha was in mystery about Kalyan. So I don't know anything about her. All right. So I'm going to ask her the first relevant question coming to you right after this break. Okay, no, no, I'm just kidding. When did you realize, at what age, that you can face the camera confidently? What was that moment in your life?
I was shooting for Himalaya, my first ad, where I had dialogues
Okay,
and I gave the audition for it. So that
okay,
was the first time, and I got selected for that. So that was the first time I realized that I want to do this. I am having fun in it, and
right,
so then I told my father. Earlier, my father used to like insist me कि देखो एक बार कैसा are you liking it? And he used to take me to like random auditions and all. And I am a very rebellious child. I completely related. to Dhruti, and I am like Dhruti. Um, so after giving my first take in that ad, Himalaya, I got to I realized that I can do this, and it's really fun. So yeah.
Well, trust me, you've reached the top of the mountain, if that's how you want to sum it up, because that's pretty interesting from the family man what you've done. So you're right on the top of the mountain.
Thank you.
And I loved your uh, dairy milk mousse, silk mousse ad.
Thank you.
You do have a knack of, tempting the opposite sex. Definitely. People do get attracted towards you. But Dhriti,
Yeah.
were you aware when you walked onto the set that, okay, you are going to be playing the daughter of the thespian Mr. Manoj Bajpayee? Had you ever heard about him in terms of, had you seen his movies? Did anyone even
I
try
wait.
to, yeah, go for it.
I so Raj called me to his office, his old office, and I went there. So they wanted to meet me, and there were so many girls there. So they were just trying to meet and talk, have a chat with them, like how are they in person and how they talk and
Right,
speak, and how they put their self out there. So I went there, and he's like, he asked me, Manoj Vajpayee. I'm like, who he is? I don't know him. कौन है वो? So he's like, you don't know? I'm like, no. So after when my meeting was done, I
yeah,
googled. I was stalking him, and I was like, कौन है Manoj Vajpayee? Um, so the first take, the Makhan Chor, that was the first day of shoot,
okay,
and I was sitting back in the car, and Manoj sir came. I was nervous. I was like, what the hell? So when he got his first national award, I was born in that year. So I've not watched any of his movies. I've not watched his award-winning gems. So it was out of the book only. Uh,
okay,
so I knew कि before I did my research. So before reaching the set, I was super nervous. I was like, oh my god, he's really brilliant at his job, and how I'm gonna do this. मेरे को बहुत चिल्ला मतलब I will fumble, I will screw it up somewhere. So I was
right,
sitting there nervous with lots of questions कि क्या करना है, कैसे बैठूं, कहाँ हाथ रखूं, किससे बात करूं. So I was just looking at him. He came and he's like, मैं कैसा दिख रहा हूँ? And I'm like, I'm supposed to be that cool. Like, मुझे इतना energetic रहना है, not him. And
right,
so I fall in love with him, with his work, not seeing his work, just acting and working with
right.
him. So, when we are shooting, we are rehearsing, he's so spontaneous, and he's like, कहीं से भी कुछ भी ऐसे आइडिया आ जाएगा which is so it is so important कि ये होना चाहिए in the final take. So he helps us also, and then you know Manoj Vajpayee.
Wow. I'm sure I had a brief chat with him today with Manoj, and he's a very dear friend, and he had so many good things to talk about. I think everyone. अच्छा ये सारे लोग जो फैमिली मैन में है जो भी एक्टर्स
हाँ.
ये धृति को एक चीज से बुलाते हैं जो जानी जाती है धृति कॉल्ड रॉक स्टार तो ये क्या मतलब क्या किया है आपने उनके साथ क्या जादू चलाया है आपने
I don't know.
कि
They're
लोग
just being
आपको
very
रॉक
sweet.
स्टार बुलाते हैं
They're just very sweet. They're being very sweet, and they're very very welcoming and warm. So yeah, I'm always like, क्या? I'm always whenever I'm around them, with the whole cast and crew. They're always teasing and having fun, and making fun of me and Atharva. So we are like a little excited kids on the set. Like we are like happy,
right
and always dancing, and so yeah.
right Okay, Ashlisha, there are two things which are very pivotal in this show, right? One, which is a very technical aspect of the suspense, which is,
Oh, yeah.
the task, TASC. Uh, and the other is the human side, which is why it's called the family man, which is why he's dealing with two sides of the same coin. Manoj's character, Shrikant Tiwari. And when you're playing a character that has to spend time with family, there's a mother, father, there's a sibling. What personality, uh, what did you bring to the table more than just the dialogues? Uh, in terms of, were you inspired by your real life? Any events that you threw into these scenes?
Um, sure. I mean, as I said, I'm very, so when I auditioned for it, Raj sir actually, he thought, and obviously DK sir, they think, and they've casted us, me and Atharva, me and Vedant, that we are very much like Dhrithi and Atharva. So we did not prepare for anything, or we
Okay.
did not went for any preparation or workshop. Obviously, we did a lot of reading and
Readings.
stuff like,
Yeah.
yeah, stuff like that. But we did not like practice for stuff. It was very spontaneous and very raw. So I
Right.
think the answer to the question was casting and having fun.
Mukesh Chabra. Shout out to Mukesh
Yes,
Chabra,
yes.
as we lovingly call him Muki. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, so Vedant has this trait, right? He's a spectacular dancer.
oh my God.
Anything that we don't know of Ashlesha that you want to reveal, spill the beans right now. You have the time.
I think I don't. I cook really well. Even Manoj sir cook really well.
Wow.
So
Yes,
we
we know
had,
Manoj
yeah,
cooks. Yeah.
yeah. So Manoj sir always tell me that आज तू घर से ये लेकर आएगी, फिर मैं कल परसों ये लेकर आऊंगा. So that's like, so we discuss about food a lot. So yeah, I mean, I'm not good at like cooking dal, chawal and all that. So, I mean, all the like dishes and cuisines, but I'm really good at cooking like starters and really like जिसमें ज्यादा काम ना जाए.
समझ
So
गया मैं.
I'm
वो व्हाट्सएप कर देना आपका एड्रेस, तो मिलते हैं बाद में. ठीक है ना?
but I can my qualities and such. Um, I can, like, if you want to have chat and if you want someone to hear your stories or whatever, call me. I love listening to people and going for a walk or
Wow.
like, yeah. So like
Are
I'm
you one of those
always there.
gossip girls?
No.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Like I'm
Okay,
like
so
sort of yeah. Sorry.
can I say that you spent 4 years of your life, 4 years of your life with the cast and crew of Family Man?
Yeah.
How was that growing up? How was it becoming an adult on the set?
राज नाउ ही थिंक अब तो तुम एक्ट्रेस बन गई हो, अब तो तुम सेलिब्रिटी बन गई हो, तुम्हारे पास तो इतने फॉलोअर्स हैं, अब तो हमको अलग ही लिखना पड़ेगा धृति और अथर्व, बिकॉज अथर्व लाइक इफ यू विल टॉक टू हिम फॉर श्योर, he is like his voice is completely changed. He is like one full grown up boy. अभी वो kiddish है अभी भी थोड़ा सा, but now तो we, I mean मैं अभी इतनी बड़ी दिखने लगी हूँ, so they are like अब तो ये हीरोइन बन गई सब लोग, everybody from the cast, everybody like अब तो इसको मिलने ही वाला है, कोई तो कोई मूवी मिलने वाली है. And I'm like
Oh,
guys this.
I really pray from the bottom of my heart that your and Vedant's career skyrockets.
Oh,
And it's
thank
just a
you.
matter of time. You've been a part of, let me tell you, you've been a part of history. ऐसे shows हर साल नहीं बनते. This is a huge thing, and don't forget, season 3 is around the corner. So This is like a franchisee in the making.
Yeah,
But
I'm just
when
really
you
happy to be a
mentioned,
part of it.
let me go back when you mentioned this word right now to me, saying that I am a little bit like Dhriti. Uh, there's this trait of Dhriti that I really liked in the Family Man, which is that she's very observant. जब वो बाइक से उतरता है और सिगरेट लेने जाता है, एंड यू से दैट उसने तुमको सलमान बुलाया, एंड आर यू दैट ऑब्जर्वेंट इन रियल लाइफ?
Oh yeah, I am small things, and um, like I notice like details. I am like full ekdam just like DK sir, perfectionist. I will give my 50,000 I'll give 50,000 takes and I'll make sure कि वो एकदम right point पे, but that's not going to happen because we have a lot of work. uh, but yeah, I try to like give my best, and I am like her. I am very like particular about things, and yeah, I am.
I think your meticulousness in terms of, you're so perfect, sees that, you're wearing a beautiful blue dress or a top, and
Oh, that's a jacket.
you've come like fully prepared. Or is that a jacket?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, whatever you're wearing, but yeah, it looks good. Blue is something that very few women can kind of carry. It's normally the pinks and the reds and probably more brighter colors. But
Oh, I
moving
like.
on, if we can,
Sorry,
yeah,
what?
go ahead.
I'm saying I like red and white and blue only. So there were three
Nice,
top colors.
nice. Was there a moment, a scene in The Family Man Part 1 and 2 where you jumped and said, shit, यार ऐसा तो हुआ है, ऐसा तो मेरे मॉम डैड के साथ हुआ है, मतलब this is like I've been in this situation before. Tell me a scene where you've been in that situation before in real life.
Uh, First season, the scene where Sochi and Shrikant, they're both fighting from one room to the another. So that's
I I've been through that. Yes.
that scene, and that I say कि मेरे मेरे मुझे बोला गया था from my elder brother कि इसको तो कचरे के डब्बे में से उठा के लाए हैं, और जो पुरानी जो असली धृति है वो तो सॉरी असली अथर्व है वो किसी के घर में है. I don't
Okay.
remember that particular scene. It was in the car when I
Okay.
say कि बेचारा मेरा असली भाई वो किसी और के घर पे रह रहा है. So that uh, these two scenes from season 1 and season 2, uh, hmm,
Okay.
I have
We have
to
to
think.
guess.
Yeah.
I have
Uh,
to ask someone else.
Nothing is coming in my mind.
It's okay. Okay. It's okay. We'll
Yeah.
skip that part. Okay. Even though आपके हाथों से बहुत अत्याचार हुआ कल्याण के ऊपर, लेकिन हम जानना चाहेंगे कि इतने स्मार्ट डैशिंग लड़के के साथ काम करके आपको कैसा लगा? बहुत ही क्लीशे सवाल है और ये सवाल आपको पूरी लाइफ सताएंगे आगे जाकर कि दिस इज द मोस्ट क्लीशे क्वेश्चन अ जर्नलिस्ट कैन आस्क यू, एंड आई एम जस्ट थ्रोइंग इट एट यू इन अ वेरी कॉमिकल वे दैट आपको कल्याण के साथ काम करके कैसा लगा?
Um, Kalyan, he's very
Okay,
good
wait, hold
looking.
on, hold on. So Chirantana Bhatt, okay, just Chirantana Bhatt is a huge name in journalism. She's the editor of Midday Gujarati newspaper, digital, of course. And Chirantana is asking, I think Chirantana, I look like someone really commented before that I'm a Sasta Arjun Rampal. Like going on, moving ahead. Okay, yes. काम
सही है,
करके
समझ गया.
कल्याण के साथ कैसा लगा?
काम करिए कल्याण के साथ. I think this is the second time we're working. First हम लोग ने we shot for a ad, Maruti Suzuki ad, and उसमें भी like he was like my boyfriend kind of thing. So I knew him already, and he's amazing. He's very like energetic and good looking and all that. So everybody from same, they're always teasing me and making fun and all. Now whenever she's around him, she's always like blushing and all that. I'm like, no, I'm not. He's
You were
just like
te-
my
you were teased on the sets with him. Is it crazy?
yeah, especially from Manoj sir and Suchi. Uh, but he's very sweet, and I think we both are learning the whole
Yeah, the
process of
art and the craft,
shooting,
right?
yeah, the art and craft, and we both are very nice. So whatever was happening on the set was like, okay, acha, you know a little bit about it. Then we discussed the whole like the scene and then how we're going to do it and what not. We'll avoid doing it, and then just breaking the ice. So yeah.
Right, right, right. Okay, someone's writing. Chiranthana's writing, girl, you should have dated till the shoot was on, then friend zone. Don't be such a good girl. Oh, this is
I'm really bad.
experience.
I'm really bad with boys, so
Okay,
bad luck.
let's leave it to that. You know, I think almost 90% of your scenes uh, are in, in the house, with the family.
And with
Uh,
the school uniform.
and in the school uniform. Yes, exactly. Uh, but while you were watching the show, Ashlesha, did you ever feel that I want to meet, different characters that I'm not paired with? And whom did you meet? What was the experience like? Did you throw in a few questions to know?
Me and JK sir, Sharib sir. So, we always like talk about कि हमें कब एक साथ scene मिलेगा करने के लिए, because we are not like we are on the same set always. Like he comes to meet us, or we he happens to be in a scene with us. So,
Right.
like, we never have that one-on-one conversation in a scene. So I really wanted that and to meet him and then, have like a good scene with him. कि हाँ श्रीकांत मेरे पापा क्या क्या चल रहा है, and then trying to know कि I mean I'm just making like stories and all.
I know.
So
Okay.
so I wanted to like have like scene with him, and then who else? Shrikant is there, and then I don't know, but I always wanted to work with Darshan Kumar. But वो तो
Wow.
टेररिस्ट है, तो वो तो it's
तो
like
लंदन जाना पड़ेगा तुझे.
वो तो है ही नहीं. उसके लिए मुझे लंदन या फिर टेररिस्ट बनना पड़ेगा to work with him and meet him. Yeah, but JK is like I want to like work with him in future also. He's like very
all
sweet
these
and
all these are great people in real life that you have had the pleasure of working with, Ashlesha, and let me tell you, they are, they are like your protector. They will make sure that you grow by leaps and bounds in your profession. That I can vouch for completely.
yeah,
um,
everyone.
okay, I want to ask you, yeah, yeah. Okay, I want to ask you, did you ever think of joining a drama school, or have you done theater before?
Yes, I have done theater before for like 2 years. But so in my
Can
theater
you tell us
school,
where?
um, it is in DN Nagar, and it's called Shabda Theatre. It's like very small place.
Okay,
Um so in there they have this system that you do your theater, you learn craft, you learn the art there, and then they are going to send you for like shows and different kind of things. So I think I've learned a lot from theater. I have like I used to talk very fast before doing theater, and I have no interest also कि तभी when I was like 12 years old. तभी तो I was like not interested at all. After doing my first ad, I was like, ये क्या है? This is like super this, but then I was like, I was I was just forcing myself to like, learn the craft. But my first experience on the stage, I had like a solo performance, first theater this thing
Right.
show, and I am like giving a huge monologue. I'm narrating the story. I'm acting like 3 4 characters. So I am being trained. Um, uh, I have uh, उधर तो it is like two
Professional.
complete
Yeah. Yeah.
different, yeah, two complete different world. Like when I was shooting for The Family Man, it was my first project. मेरे लिए shooting on a set and doing giving a performance on the stage was so different because you get your chance. You if you screw up
Right.
something, you have stakes. You have a chance to do it correctly, but on stage you cannot, and there are people in front of you, cannot like wait for the second chance. So yeah, theater is it is a very
Mhm.
difficult job, and hats off. Oh, Sharib is really good at doing theater. I've seen him putting stories in post of his always tell him it is mind blowing.
Theater is probably the finest medium to learn acting, and I'm sure that
Yeah,
Manoj Bajpayee would have told you. Uh,
yeah.
Going back, when you read a screenplay, does it really get boring? यार 150 नहीं कितने how many pages, my god, it would be how many pages is screenplay? A movie screenplay would be about 120 pages, 100 to 120, right?
Yeah, yeah,
uh,
yeah.
but a series screenplay were you only given your part to read, or you had to read the entire screenplay of The Family Man?
Oh, we were given only our parts. Like this is your
Okay.
part, and you're gonna read it. Whatever you find that there's some changes that you want to make, or this is how he will talk, or DK sir told me it is very difficult for them to write, with thinking like a teenager, and how will Atharva respond to a particular thing, or how Diti is going to respond. So they always ask us, ki, is this right? Is it right? This is how you speak. This is how you react. So there
Nice.
too, it is very flexible, and it was like it's very normal for us to like give like our opinion and everything. Um, I forgot what was I saying.
What do you forgot? Oh,
क्या
you
बोल रही
do
थी
that?
मैं?
अरे lines set पे lines तो नहीं भूल गई कभी ऐसे?
भूली हूँ,
अच्छा,
obviously
someone
भूली
has
हूँ.
written something very nice, huh?
क्या?
Ashlisha is a word, Dhriti is an emotion. वाह 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 वाह.
Ah, that's so sweet. Thank you.
ओहो हो, अलग ही लेवल पे लेके गए. अच्छा, ऑफर्स भी आने लग गई है. प्लीज मैरी मी अश्लेषा, ये क्या है? प्लीज गाइस, लेट अस स्टडी.
Yeah, I'm still in
It's too
12th
early.
standard.
Okay, great.
Raj sir is here.
Hey, by the way, Raj sir,
Raj
where's
is
Raj?
here.
Where's Raj?
Hello.
कहाँ गया राज?
He went
किससे
up.
मिली?
I mean, I mean,
He went up. अरे अब तो तूने कल्याण को भेज दिया, सलमान को. Oh, this is great. Okay, I'm going to read out a few things that people have been writing. Do you have a boyfriend?
no,
Okay. Hey, is your sibling like Atharva? Is your sibling like Atharva?
no.
क्या आपके भाई
He's
अथर्व जैसे हैं?
my
नहीं?
my elder brother. So I think he is like me, like Zrithi, and I am like Atharva.
अरे
But I
भी
am.
तो you said you were
I
like
mean,
working
both.
with.
I'm both. I'm both. I'm Atharva also with them.
अच्छा
I'm
both
with
both.
them.
अच्छा
I'm
अच्छा.
with them. I'm Atharva, but I am like.
Sorry, but I'll have to betray my. Oh my God! Someone's writing this. What are you doing? Sorry, but okay. So someone's writing. Sorry, but I'll have to betray my girl crush. I'm going for Ashleisha now. See how you
My
are
God.
influencing people. See, hey Bhagwan, Raj and DK, Devanshu Das. Oh sir, long time we
What?
haven't met. I
I
can read
can't
out
believe.
my own compliment, but thank you so much, Raj and DK. Whoever's operating that handle. Uh, बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं यार. ऐसे पढ़ता जाऊंगा तो मतलब डिनर लेना पड़ेगा एश्लेषा के साथ. ओके, she just said she's in 12th standard, so you calculate her age, yaar. Come on. She don't want to tell you what her age is. She's in 12th standard, she just said. आपको हॉलीवुड में काम करना चाहिए. People are saying, wow. I lost interest in my girlfriend after seeing Dhriti. हे भगवान, हे भगवान. धृति को आज दवाई लेके सोना पड़ेगा.
दवाई लेके सोना पड़ा. Oh God.
Why is someone writing Devansh bhai जम के पाद मारो? Why do I have to hear all these things on an Instagram live? Oh my God, that's gross. Hey, talking about gross, Ashleisha,
Ashlesha, please
talking about
tell
gross.
Devansh he is cool. You are cool. You're so cool. Cool as ever.
Thank you so
Raja
much.
told me to tell you.
Here's what. Okay, thank you so much. Raj, thank you so much. I think the last time I met Raj and DK was when they were hosting, and they are great hosts. They love food, and this was in I think at their Andheri pad about 5 6 years ago. 6 years ago, I think. And wow, what an evening that was!
I
I
just
can't forget
wait.
that.
I just wait them to call me, uh, or wait to meet them. So I'm like always like, kabhi milna hai, tell me. I'm always ready to meet you. He's saying that you've grown up. See,
Bless
I
you.
am.
Okay, I was talking about gross because someone just told me something like to fart or something. I don't know why. I don't know why people. I don't know why. I don't know how that happened. But 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 I'm going to ask you something. When you talk about gross, okay, what did Rajandika tell you there is going to be one of these bloody scenes, inverted commas, bloody scene, where you stab Kalyan, aka Salman?
I just knew that I'm going to be kidnapped, or
Okay,
like I have like very tough and tumultuous scenes to do.
right.
I am going to scream a lot, cry a lot, and miss my parents. So I was being told that I was informed, just I was aware of those things. But I reached there on the set and I was like, DK sir told me ki you're supposed to stab him, you're supposed to kill him, and I'm like, what? And then वो जो blood मुझ पे डाला था
Yeah.
was cranberry juice, and I love cranberry. So I was licking that whole time, and Raj is like, gross, just don't do that, just don't do that. And then I was telling him, you want to hug me, you want to hug me? He's like, no, just go get a bath, then we'll see, I'll tell you to hug me.
Wow, that was a lot of cranberry juice, even on Kalyan.
Yeah, he was like full,
Dude,
pura
that was
cranberry juice.
I can't believe that was cranberry juice. Wow, people use juice nowadays. That's edible, dude. Wow.
Yeah, it is, it is.
अरे पॉटी के लिए केक यूज ना करे तो अच्छा है.
What?
Okay, I know it just came from nowhere, but chocolate, no? Oh God, imagine you eating. Oh. Okay. uh, What else? What else? I'm just reading out some comments which have been pouring like the Mumbai rains. Um, Atharva is the hero of this whole series. Well, yes, you can say that. Such
No,
an amazing character, isn't he?
everybody.
Okay,
The hero.
tell me. Everybody, tell
Yes.
me.
Like every character has their own thing to do. Like एक होता है ना कभी कभी कि ऐसी character को डाल दिया है and then
Right.
uh, they have nothing to do, or there's not much to uh, of that character, or kabhi matlab, how do I articulate it? It's just there, like necessary से डाल दिया है कि ये character है, and you're just seeing them for no reason. They don't have any purpose in the show. But Raj and all the writers like Ravi Kesam, Supan, they're so like meticulous and so aware of like each character. They know how to write them, like in a very like innovative way. And
Right.
so I think that is very important, and that is the key and the best thing about a show. Like everybody has the like
Nice.
something very very creative and something different in their own way. So yeah.
Have you? I want to know the reaction from your best friends. What did they think of the show?
My
And
best
your
friend
character. Has anyone told you that no,
are
yaar,
gone.
like, should one have a daughter like Dhriti? Is that the influence you've carved?
I see memes and all कि अथर्व जैसा बेटा और बेटी होनी चाहिए and all that. But Dhrithi is important. There has to be
It is.
someone, a
Yeah, she
girl.
is.
Yeah, and ऐसा एक you know एक child, or somebody from the family, ऐसा एक होना चाहिए इंसान to be like Dhrithi, because she is very smart, rebellious. She know how to talk, and she's very well aware about things. And my mother's reaction to the to the last scene, the stabbing, she was she was so angry. She was like, I so she did not see कि I before like killing me killing Kalyan. So she was
Yeah.
like, are you going to kill, are you going to die or what? And I'm like, mama, just see to aage hai now, you're going to get like a whole big surprise. But she was very angry uh till like seventh episode. She like, no, this is not fair. So much of torture you're going through, and look at you, I'm crying. And she was like full of goosebumps, and like मेरे को मन कर रहा था उसको जाके मारने का. And so her reaction was like full ekdam. But then when she saw me stabbing Kalyan, she's like, yes, you go girl, and she's like cheering for
Go for it.
me. And my father was like in shock. He was looking to the screen, and he's like, she is my daughter. Did she kill this guy? How is she acting so well? And then, he told me that he's very proud of me. But I'm like, thank you. And my
So that's
best
your
friend,
family's reaction. What about your friends?
my friends, they're like superb, amazing. I'm so proud. I love you. This and that. Everyone has called me. Everyone have congratulated me. My best friend, like my best friend. She have not seen the show because she wanted to see it with me, and because of lockdown, we are in our own
Right.
houses,
Right.
तो मेरे को मिला नहीं. But I'm just waiting for her to see the second season, and that's very disappointing for me because she have not seen it. I'm like, see it,
Listen, it's not going anywhere. I mean, she can see it with you anytime. So that's the best part about digital shows, right?
yeah.
Um, you know, now that you said that you're in 12th, are you are you rebellious when it comes to studies too? Do you want to pursue a different career, or you really feel this is your calling, this is your true calling? Performing in front of camera is Ashlisha's true calling.
I always wanted to be an actor. Like Abhi, now if you ask me now, I want to be someone from this industry, and uh, being known for my work, not being very commercially, successful, or you know like I want, my goal is to be being by my work, and I want to like be the best at my job.
Very
So
nice.
that's what. So that is like I want to be that one person. So being in this industry, and working with Raj and DK, the best directors, um, and of course my future projects. I'm so grateful for going for auditions, and people are calling for me for audition, because half of the time you don't know कि कहाँ हो रहा है casting. And
Right.
so abhi I will say ki yeah, I want to be somebody from, like, someone uh in acting like
Patience
this.
is the formula. So keep at it, keep at it. It's very, very important. Uh, Tell me your experience about working alongside Suchi. And it's very
Oh,
interesting because you and um, I think no, I think it's Vedant's uh, sorry, Atharva's character that Atharva says it's more about he says the word Suchi more than mom or ma. He's a calls the mother by the first name.
Suchi. Suchi.
It's a pretty sorry.
I didn't get you. Sorry, what?
I'm saying Atharva
Mm-hmm.
calls Suchi, not mother. You getting it?
Ha 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 ha. Okay,
By the
yeah,
first
yeah.
name. Matlab, you
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
call your dad with your first name, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You call your dad or papa or whatever, pops or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Do you call them by their first name ever?
In the show?
No. Likewise, just in general.
I call Priyamani Suchi. Congratulations, Suchi, and how are you, Suchi? So I call Priyamani by her character's name, but Manoj is like I call him like Shri, Manoj sir, Manu. But he's like no, call me Manoj. Manoj, don't call me sir, and like so. Yeah, I mean प्रियामणि को मैं सूची की तरह बात करती हूँ, but working with her and my
The reason I asked you, yeah, go on.
हाँ okay, so working with her is just like mummy wali feeling always, because she's like whenever you reach home just
Yeah.
message me, and she always like very caring. Khana khaya, and be hydrated, eat like some good food, don't eat junk food. So pura mama, like full mama wali feeling she gives me. Um, so working with her, I mean, Manoj sir and Priyamani, they both like they're very brilliant actors. They have won national awards, and working with
Yeah.
all of them, Manoj sir, Suchi, Sharib, Vedant, and I feel like they're more. Vedant is just like me, and Vedant have just entered this industry, and it's our first project, and but working with all of them, they're like very experienced, and me, abhi to Vedant, when we were shooting for the first season, he was like very small and I was 14. So I had a sense of like, I'm very naive, and I don't know certain things, and they're very like professional with their work, all of those things. things, and they was very quick with their job and very good at it because they worked like a lot. And
I got it.
so
I got it.
so yeah, so working with them is just like what, like they're magic. So
Okay,
Suchi is very sweet.
I'm gonna end this by asking a few, quick questions in terms of, I want quick answers to them. Um, your favorite actor you want to work with?
Anupam Kher. I want to work with Farhan Akhtar. I want to
Wow,
work with yeah, I want to work with Aditya
Anupam
Roy
Kher is a
Kapoor.
rare. Anupam Kher is a rare, rare, rare answer nobody would have expected. And why Anupam
Why?
Kher?
Because he is amazing. I love him. I
Okay,
watch his you know uh, whatever he works, like जितने भी है उनका
okay.
काम,
So it's
I
Anupam,
watch.
Farhan, Aditya Roy Kapoor,
Yes, Abhay Deol.
Abhay Deol.
Um,
Okay,
and I want to work with this Vidya Balan. These
nice
five.
choice. Very nice choice. Now,
Yeah.
knowing this, name your top three movies that you've learned the art of acting from. Any movies that have inspired you as an actor?
It is I have like different, like pura different things for different movies. So when like my favorite movies, if you ask me, so it has to be like very cool, fun and comedy and all of those.
Yeah.
So my favorites are ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, खूबसूरत, Aisha, then Razi, and there's one more I forgot. Yeah, there is one more. And like acting wise, then it has to be like all of Sanjay Leela Bhansali's movie, like very
Okay.
in detail, and uh, uh, like good performance, and some of
Okay.
Alia Bhatt's movie. So yeah,
Can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you.
Hello?
Yeah,
Guys, can you hear me? Because I think I'm getting a bit of disturbance.
I can hear you.
Hello, hello. Yeah, okay, I can hear you now. Okay, interesting. Your choices of actors and movies. What are you currently watching? Binging on? What are you binging on?
I'm watching two shows. I'm watching The 100, the seventh season, and I'm
Okay,
watching like I'm on the last episode of The Bold Type. So yeah,
interesting. Well, there's much said about kind of The Family Man in terms of it being coming into the top three shows of Indian web shows, starting with Sacred Games, Scam, that followed. Of course, Made in Heaven was there, which was a beautiful show. And then Family Man comes in. So you're a part of history, as I repeat again, Dhriti, Ashlesha, and your success, I feel, will always and always be when people start remembering you by your character name. It is that when you've put a stamp of authority that, okay, here I am, I'm here, I've finally done some amazing job as an actor and have influenced a few. I'm sure people love me and my craft, and here I am to stay for good. Which is why we know Manoj Bajpayee as Bhikhu Matre. I'm sure you've heard the name. After so many years, people haven't forgotten his character, and so many diverse characters that he's played before. So keep on doing great work. God bless you, and I'm so looking forward to season three. I won't be surprised if you join Task. By the way, knowing that you can now kill, knowing that you can stab well, I won't be surprised. So we'll keep that as a mystery.
thank you for doing
Thank
this.
you. Thank you so much,
Thank you. Thank
Ashlesha.
you.
God bless
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
God bless. Take care.
Take care.